quick lap of Silverstone in this, the Porsche Taycan, and how's it going to get on? Check, should be just about clear behind. So 296 in front. That's going to be a much faster car, especially around the bends where this car does struggle a little bit, but good turn in there. And then, yeah, it just drags a little bit with these wheels and these tyres. Alright, they're going to gun it off now, hopefully. Yeah. But Taycan just about managing to keep up. Just got to watch the braking here, because the brakes in this thing are very binary, either on or off, and it's very easy to hit the lock-up. Just take that bend, rest, and get around here for Brooklands. This is the line you want here. Bit of a stab on the brakes, and then progressively out into the line. Nice and tight in here. We're keeping up with this 296. I think they're taking it pretty easy, to be fair. Watch the brakes there. It's one of my favourite parts of the circuit here. Keeping it in. Oh, they're braking for this. You don't need to brake here. Just tuck it in and now do your braking. Out into the middle for this bit here. Tuck it in. You can hear the tyres working hard all the way around this track. So the Taycan's doing pretty well. I'm not sure how much this got. So yeah, pulling away massively there. The top speed here really starts to die. I had this up to about 160 earlier in the wonderful McLaren 750S. Progressively on, progressively off. Maybe just a little bit too much speed there. Right on the cusp. I'm going to take this out very wide here to get off, and then round here. Beautiful. So I don't think I'm going to be able to get past this 296, but not doing too bad a job. Eating through the battery, as always. It's doing alright for an EV. Take this out nice and wide. Right onto the runoff there. Yeah, just can't catch him down the straights. Yep, this is an EV behind you, mate. How do you feel about that? Wonderful. But it's the most fun part of the circuit, braking done there. It's a very fine art braking in the Taycan. You've got to be really gentle with the pedal. It's really sensitive, but you do not get a lot of feedback, unfortunately. Unlike McLaren, they are brilliant at that. Tyres are getting pretty hot. And into the pits. And that's it.